One of the other guns I would like to introduce you is my Mosin 1944. This one was built in '46 in Soviet Russia, in Ijevsk, and it belonged to the war reserves of Soviet Republic. It was taken apart and put into pieces, into huge crates, and never used. After the fall of the Iron Curtain, these guns were exported from Soviet Russia to the Czech Republic and built again. It was bought by my friend and I bought it from him. Well, the 44 Mosin uses ammunition 7.62.54 R. Its stock is for 5 rounds. It's not detachable, and it has a bayonet as well. And you can see you can shoot and use the bayonet at the same time. It's a really nice and historical gun. Many millions were made during the war, and it's really really hard to shoot it because the recoil is really huge and it hurts like hell. I was said that you can distinguish good Mosins from bad Mosins this way. If the slide is in semi position and you press the trigger and it moves, it did what mine did, it's a good gun. If you put it into the position and it does nothing or just clicks, or you have to help it, the gun isn't very good. The mechanism, it wouldn't be that much fault. It still would work, but you can see. Yeah. I was said I really have to clean it properly after every use due to the ammunition and hydrorgarum within the composition of the ammunition, so it's a bit harder to take care of. That's it.